Hi, this is Amber from the Louisville Public Library. Today we're going to be talking about our summer reading activity this week. Our summer reading theme this year is Imagine Your Story. We're doing a lot of different fantasy, fairy tale things. This week we're going to be doing catapults. In medieval times they used to make these to hurl objects at the enemy during battle. We're going to be making one almost exactly like this today. We're going to be adding a little cap at the top, which is going to act as like a bucket to hurl those objects forward. Okay, let's get started. So to get started making our catapults, you're going to gather your supplies first. You'll need 10 popsicle sticks first, 3 rubber bands, any size, a cap, some objects to hurl, and a glue gun with a glue stick. Okay, so first thing I need to do is gather my 8 sticks and then just have 2 off to the side. And we're just going to be stacking these right on top of each other. Just as straight as you can get them together. And then take one rubber band on one end, pretty tightly wind it. You're going to need to do this a couple times depending on how big or small your rubber band is. Okay. So I've got that just all sandwiched together. And we're going to take the other rubber band and do the same thing to the end. Okay. So you have your rubber bands at each end. And then we're going to take one of our popsicle sticks and wedge it in between 2 sticks on either end. Doesn't matter which end. This tough part is getting the stick in there. If you need to, you can loosen one of your rubber bands. I think I'm going to just to make it a little easier. There we go. Tight, but if it's too tight, it will be hard to get this part. Okay. So now I have the stick wedged in there. Just going to push it forward. Make sure it's in the middle. Wedged in between 2 sticks. I'm going to go ahead and rewind this side. Just make it tighter since I've went ahead and put the stick on that side. There we go. So you're going to take your other stick and flip it over. So your bottom part where the 2 sticks are, lay that down and put the top stick right on top of the other. And then take your 3rd rubber band hold that together as best as you can and then wrap this around the bottom. To adjust as you go, which is totally fine. Just going to move that down just a little bit. Okay. And again, I want to be in the middle, so just move it over just a little bit. See? So now I have a cap that's just from a water container. And I'm going to put it. Don't put it directly at the top, kind of go down just a little bit. And we're just going to glue that on. You could also use E6000, just a really strong glue, This glue works really quickly though, which is why I usually prefer hot glue. Just be careful and have a parent with you if you're using it. So I put my dollop of glue right there, and then I'm just going to put the cap and squish down. And this should only take about a minute or two to dry totally, and then we will test our catapults. I just have some little pom-poms I'm using as objects that we're going to put in the bucket. You could also use marshmallows or little balls, anything you have. I wanted to say that too, when you don't have a bucket, you can just leave it just like this. It will still work. Just kind of at the end, take it and release. See if this is dry. Oh, still a little wet. Just gonna give that a couple more seconds. Alright, so now I'm gonna put my pom-pom in the bucket and then pull the lever back, my finger, and release. Well, that one wasn't the greatest. Well, I'm getting a little bit more air on that one, alright. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today. Don't forget to tune in next week. Thanks. Thanks for joining us for our summer reading program activity today, and tune in next week.